Yo, what up YouTube Eax? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing. This is like, what, the third unboxing for today. You already know the deal. Let's move the keyboard out the way. Let's move the mouse out the way. Get the package on the table, which I'm in my other room because I'm actually redoing the other room to install the stuff that I already unboxed for you guys. So yeah. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So I'm gonna just get into this thing really quick. Bust through this really fast. And show you exactly what we got. So you already know the products. You know we deal with Fifine stuff. So this is Fifine speakers. This is something that was not sent out to me, but I'm going to get in contact with them, let them know I brought it, and I'm letting them know I'm doing a review for it. So, yeah. So, this is the Fifine, I forgot the model number for this. What is the model number? This is the Ampligame A16 black speaker, wireless speaker. This, you can use this wireless, or you can use it wired. It doesn't matter. So, then in here. I brought this because I got that big sound bar on my computer desk. I need to get rid of it because it takes up a lot of room. Y'all heard what I kept saying, that it's too cluttered. So yeah, so you get the Fifine cord that I love that has the branded name on it, Fifine, as you can see right there. This is a USB Type C to Type A. Get a 3.5 millimeter audio jack, and you get the actual speaker. Let's get this out the way. Here we go. Get the plastic off. Oh, I love that. Ooh, smell good. Ooh, it has that new car smell. So, guys, here you go. Here you go. That's what y'all been waiting for, right? So we got some mechanical switches, which I do like. Wonder if I could pull them out. I don't know. Yes, you can. And we have blues. So these look like Kailhs. So we got blue Kailh switches. So I kind of like that. Just pop that back on here. It's not broken. It's just a switch, a mechanical switch. There you go. So there you go right there. Got your back. You get TF, which is your SD card, aux, your microphone, powered, and your USB right there. So basically the power one, I believe, just hold this for a few seconds. Most likely it needs to charge up. So yeah, I need to put this on a charger. I'll have a video for this at a later time, showing y'all guys this. So I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.